Welcome to this short unboxing video from CYP. Today we're looking at the XA-3P. The XA-3P is a pattern generator, signal analyzer and 4K HDMI cable tester. Included in the box is the instruction manual, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the USB cable for data and charging, and of course the XA-3P. The XA-3P is simple to use thanks to its front-mounted buttons and OLED screen. It's easy to carry around thanks to its small size and lightweight nature. And the unit has HDMI in, HDMI out and USB on the top of the device. To protect your investment, each XA-3P is currently provided with its own bespoke hard case. For more information, please visit www.cypeurope.com.